Have you seen the mind-blowing AI talking avatars that are taking YouTube and other platforms by storm? Channels like 10x Income have skyrocketed from 0 to an astonishing 330,000 subscribers in about 15 months since being created on December 9, 2022. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about Digital Income Project. They went from nothing to 160,000 subscribers in only 12 months, and they're now making over $10,000 every single month. The secret to their success? AI avatars. If you're running a faceless channel and not jumping on this trend, you're going to be left so far behind that you'll need a telescope to see the competition. But don't worry, because in this video, we're going to dive deep into creating your very own, unique, mind-blowing talking avatar, just like the one you're watching right now. I remember when I first started experimenting with AI avatars, I had no idea where to begin. I spent hours trying to figure out the process, and it felt like I was piecing together a puzzle with missing pieces. But after a lot of trial and error, I finally cracked the code, and I'm excited to share my step-by-step process with you today. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber looking to take your channel to the next level or a complete beginner just starting out, this tutorial is perfect for you. Get ready to create an AI avatar that will captivate your audience and help your channel stand out in a crowded market. Let's get started. Step 1. Generating your unique avatar image. The first step in creating your AI talking avatar is to generate a unique image. While you can use any image generator of your choice, for this tutorial, we'll be using Bing AI. Bing AI has a powerful built-in image generation tool powered by GPT-4, making it a great option for creating high-quality avatars. To access Bing AI, you can either use the Microsoft Edge browser, if you have it installed, and sign in, or simply do a Google search for Bing AI and click on the first result. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, creating one is a breeze, and you can even use an Outlook email address. Once you're signed in, navigate to the interface and click on Copilot. Make sure to set the settings to Designer to enable image creation. Now it's time to input your prompt. I've already prepared a prompt that I'll paste into the description of this video so you can easily modify it to suit your needs. After entering your prompt, click Generate, and Bing AI will create several images for you. Don't be discouraged if the first few images don't quite match your vision. It may take a few tries to find the perfect avatar. For this example, I'm going to choose this image. Step 2. Animating your avatar. Now that we have our avatar image, it's time to bring it to life by animating it to speak. To accomplish this, we'll be using two powerful tools, Hagen and Canva. Hagen is a fantastic, user-friendly platform that allows you to easily animate your avatar. I've included a link to Hagen in the description below, and the best part is that it's completely free to use. Once you follow the link, simply sign up using your email address, and you'll be ready to start animating. For the next part of the process, we'll be using Canva, a versatile graphic design tool. To access the features we'll need, you'll want to use Canva Pro. If you don't already have a Canva Pro account, don't worry. I've also included a link in the description where you can sign up for a 30-day free trial. Step 3. Setting up your avatar in Canva. In the Canva interface, click on Search and look for YouTube thumbnail. We'll be using this size for our YouTube video. Once the thumbnail template opens, click to import the avatar image you created earlier. Canva offers a variety of AI-powered features that we can use to enhance our avatar. First, let's use the Magic Expander to expand the background of our image to fit perfectly into the YouTube video size. If the results aren't quite what you're looking for, don't worry, we have another option. Click on the Magic Grab tool to separate your avatar from the background. Once your image is detached, simply click on the background to delete it. Now it's time to set up our virtual studio and position our avatar just right. Click on Elements and search for Table PNG. Select a table that fits your style and position it accordingly. Next, add a square box on top of the table and change its color. I'm going with black for this example. Reduce the transparency to create a sleek, modern look. Position your avatar so that their hands rest slightly on the desk, giving a natural, engaging appearance. To add depth and realism, duplicate the avatar, rotate it 180 degrees, and reduce the transparency. This will create a shadow effect on the desk, making your avatar look like they're really sitting there. Let's add some finishing touches to our virtual studio. Click on Elements and search for Table Lamp. Choose a design that complements your style and place it in the corner. Then, search for Table Plant and position it near your avatar to add a touch of life to the scene. Step 4. Choosing the perfect background. To change the background, click on Elements once more and search for Office Background or Modern Living Room. Take your time browsing through the options until you find one that suits your vision. For this example, I've chosen a stunning modern living room background. To apply it, simply drag the background image to replace the existing one, and voila, your avatar is now sitting in a beautiful, professional-looking environment. Take a moment to fine-tune the positioning of your avatar and studio elements until you're completely satisfied with the result. Before we continue, if you're finding value in this tutorial, please take a moment to hit the red subscribe button, like this video, and share it with others. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue creating content like this. Step 5. Animating your avatar with Hagen. Now that your avatar is set up in Canva, it's time to download the image to your computer. Next, return to the Canva home screen and search for YouTube video. Open a new video template and scroll down on the left side to find the Apps section. Look for Hagen, the AI app we signed up for earlier, and click to open it. In Hagen, click on Upload to import your custom avatar image. If you prefer, you can also choose from a variety of pre-made avatars, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with our unique creation. Once your avatar is uploaded, you can choose to input either text or audio for your avatar to speak. I've already created an audio file using 11 Labs AI, which I'll link in the description for your convenience. To connect your Hagen account, click on Connect and input the email address and password you used when signing up on the website. This will automatically link your account to Canva. Scroll down and click on Generate AI Video. In just moments, your avatar will come to life and start speaking. Let's take a listen.
This is me, Ben, an AI avatar created by AI Cash Queen. With this video, you can create your own AI avatar like me, or even better than me. Go ahead and achieve. Let me know in the comments what you'll be using your own AI avatar for.
Doesn't it sound amazing? If you want to remove the Hagen watermark, simply use your own logo to cover it up, and there you have it. Your very own AI talking avatar, ready to captivate your audience. Creating an AI talking avatar may seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and a step-by-step approach, anyone can do it. By using Bing AI, Canva, and Hagen, you can create a unique, engaging avatar that will help your YouTube channel stand out and connect with your audience on a whole new level. Remember, when you're editing your video, simply lip-sync the words for the parts where you want your avatar to speak. This will create a seamless, professional-looking video that your viewers will love. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Your support is what keeps me motivated to create more content like this. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments section. Let me know if you have any questions about creating your own AI talking avatar, or share your experience if you've already tried it out. I'm always excited to see what my viewers create and learn from your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing avatars you'll create using this tutorial. Until next time, keep innovating and stay awesome.